there, Kira here with another process video using the Life Crafted kits along with a little bit from the add-on kit. So I went to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter recently, the month before, June. And I'm using one of the Life Crafted albums as my vacation album. So I've just been kind of randomly going through and kind of choosing photos that I think work with the products that I've been getting, and just kind of taking my time with it and having fun with it. I decided to go ahead and do this picture of me and my husband. And this is like our first boat ride to the park. So we got there on a Sunday, but then our first day at the actual park was on a Monday. So this was Monday morning, and we stayed at a hotel where you go take a boat to the park. And so this is on the boat ride to the park. And the reason I decided to do this photo was there's a journaling card in Life Crafted kit that says Happy Dance on it. And I thought it perfectly described my mood during this boat ride because I was so giddy with excitement to be in Orlando going to Harry Potter World for the first time. I'd been dreaming about this for years and years and years, and it was finally coming true. So I was a little excited, to say the least. So I am just going through all the die cuts and everything, trying to figure out what's going to work for this layout. I decided to just make my title on this page as just say happy. And I really like this like floral card from the Life Crafted kit. So I'm going to do my journaling on there. But first I'm going to stick some puffy stickers on there. And I think those look really cute and the colors go well with the flowers. And then I was going to, so I originally, with these acetate pieces, because I have a really hard time with acetate. And I think that it's like something that, a lot of people have trouble with. And so I thought, let's back them with some white cardstock, and then they're not really like acetate anymore. But I cut it out, and it looked fine, but I just didn't really like the way that it looked on my layout. So I ended up scrapping that idea and just sticking the flowers directly on the page as is. And I liked that better. But it was a good experiment to see, what it was going to look like. See, and it looks cute like that too. But it just wasn't, I just didn't like it as much as that. I thought that looked cuter. So that's what I went with. So I'm going to build a little cluster down here. And then I'm going to build some clusters underneath my title up top here. And I just kind of pulled all of the acetate flowers out, and I'm going to use a good portion of them along with the little acetate leaves as well. And I'm going to add some of these acetate hearts in here too, and kind of like layer them around the page. That one stays there. And I'm liking how that's looking. So I will go ahead and start adhering everything down. Oh, I'm going to add a label though first. So this is the labels that are included in the Life Crafted kit. You get a little set of cut apart labels. And these are probably one of my favorite things in Citrus Twist kits is the labels. Because you always get a fun variety of colors. I don't always use all of them, but I save all of them. So I have just a plethora of labels in my stash from Citrus Twist, which is perfect for, adding dates, or this one I'm going to add a little stamped phrase to. I'll end up using the Life Crafted stamp stamp set to stamp something on there. But I will do that in a minute after I start gluing everything down. I think I'm kind of just deciding if I want to add anything else to this or if I'm liking how it's looking just like that. And I think I just decided, you know what, it looks fine just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing this stuff down. The glue I'm using is, it's a ThermaWeb product, and it's called Mixed Media Glue. And it doesn't glue very quickly. So if you don't like your things kind of moving around while you're trying to adhere them down, then I would definitely not recommend this glue. If you want like a quick drying glue, this is not the glue for you. But if you kind of like a little wiggle room with your glue, it's a good one. I like how thin the tip is on it, and it's perfect for like acetate because it dries clear, so you don't ever have that like kind of misty look behind your acetate pieces, which is nice. So here I am stamping on that little label, and I don't remember which stamp I think I stamped more of this is the phrase I chose. There was a couple phrases on that stamp set that worked really well with this, but more of this I thought was perfect. And I'm just adhering everything else down. The acetate circle, I ended up popping that up on some foam dots, and you can kind of see a little bit behind it. But I thought because it was black, it's not that noticeable. And then these little enamel dots, and you could see, do you see me move that title? It wasn't in the right spot, so I moved it because that glue does not glue. It doesn't dry very quickly, so you're able to do stuff like that. Anyways, these enamel dots were in the add-on kit, and so I just added a little yellow one down at the bottom. And that's it. Here's some close-ups of my project. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.